Hello, grade 5. Good afternoon. If my voice is clear for you, check the screen sharing, open your mic, say everything is okay, Mr. Walid. All working? Who will tell me? Hurry up.
Yes, mister.
Hi, Ziad, how are you?
I'm fine.
We study 6.1, 6.2, am I right?
1 second, I'll see now.
Check quickly.
Hello, mister.
Hi, everybody. Check quickly, 6.1 finished, 6.2 finished.
Yeah, 6.1 finished and 6.2 finished. But Mr. 6.2, we do not.
Yeah.
take-
Yesterday it was a short session. I came late. Okay, let's finish 6.3 today, and if we have the time, we will revise 6.2. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, hurry up.
It was so easy.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Okay, our date today is 6th of January 2022, and our page is 237. Please, check the page number with the same title of the lesson as in front of the screen or not. Our session today.
237.
Yeah, mister, I just want to tell you that I bring the
What, Omar Abdulaziz, hurry up.
Mister, I brought the 5.2 book for the math. For the second
Congratulations. Can we start?
Yeah, we can start.
Close your
And
mic. Ziad, check the title of the lesson. Is it the same as in front of you on page
Use models to
237?
divide by a one-digit whole number.
Very good. So our session today is going to be 6.3. Use models to divide by a one-digit whole number. Ziad, if I ask you with a little and very simple example here, I will show you on the screen now. I want to ask you just little question, okay?
Okay.
If I want to divide 6 over 3, what can I do?
6 over 3.
Yeah, 6 divided 3. Is it difficult for you?
Oh, it's 2 only.
Very easy, mister. It's 2, okay?
Yeah.
Our session today is not like that. It is not as simply you will divide by timetable mentally using 6 divided 3 equal to. It depends on the divisor. The first step to represent models for division statement is to focus the divisor. What is the divisor in front of you, Ziad?
3.
Very good. The first thing you will draw 1, 2, 3 groups. This is the first step of representing models, to focus the divisor and draw a number of groups that equals the number of divisors. How many divisors do we have? We have 3.
3.
So we will draw 3 groups.
Boxes.
Okay. The second step is to represent this 6 with one vertical column. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
5, 6.
So 6 equal 6 vertical columns. The vertical columns, if you remember, formed of 1, 2, 3,
10.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 small cubes. Do you remember?
Yeah.
Okay. So I just, instead of writing all that, I just make a vertical slash like that. So this is 6, represented 6 slash. I have 3 groups. I need to distribute this 6 slashes inside the 3 groups. How can I do that? Each group will take what?
3.
No.
2.
Each group will take
the
answer, the quotient, 2. So the steps, the procedure of solution. First thing, ask yourself, what is the divisor do we have?
3.
So
3.
I will draw 1, 2, 3 groups. After that, the dividend. How many vertical columns can represent the dividend? They
Six.
are 6. If we distribute the 6
Yeah.
slashes over the 3 groups, each group will take what?
2.
Just only this is the mission or this is the lesson today. I think Ahmed Abdul Rauf understand the session. Huh? You get it,
Mister.
Ahmed? Easy. Iwan, Ammar, Abdul Rahman,
Mister,
everybody attend the session now. If you have a
I
difficult,
have a question.
open your camera and raise your hand.
Mister, now I
I
have a
see that
question.
Ali Hussein Al-Fiqi did not understand. Also, Omar Abdulaziz. Really, it is not
Mister, I have a
difficult. It's
question.
little confusion, but no problem. Okay,
Sir,
Ali,
but I have
what's
a
your
question.
problem? Huh? Open your mic. What's your problem, Mr. Ali? Where is
Mister, I
Ammar?
don't-
Where is Abdurrahman?
Mister,
Where is Fida? Huh? Where is the students? Muhammad Marwan,
Mister,
open
I
your
don't-
mic. Abdullah, keep down to close. What's wrong with you, Ali?
Mister, I don't understand the whole disk.
You come late. You didn't concentrate.
No,
You are playing.
no, Mister, I
what?
concentrate. I don't think.
Let's listen again. My dear students, we will listen for Ali Hussam Al-Fiqi in solve and share question. Maybe it will be more clear for him. Hurry up, Ali.
Please pay 3.60 for 3 colored pens. Each pen costs the same amount. How much did each pen cost? Solve the problem anyway. Choose.
Okay, we need to divide 3.60 divided what?
Divide 3.
Very good. The teacher said, when we want to represent the model, the first thing we focused on is what?
The
Is
divisor.
what? Divisor.
The divisor.
The divisor here equal what?
3.
So I will draw 3 groups. First group, second group, third group. Okay? Ali.
Mister. Okay, Mister.
Okay, after that, we have 3.60. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
The one whole number represented by a full hundredths grade. You remember the full hundredths grade? You remember it?
No, Mister.
It's containing the one vertical column, 10 of vertical column
Okay, Mister.
beside each other to form the 100 grades. You remember the 100 grades?
Yes, Mister.
Okay. So from this 100 grade, we have 3. So how many vertical columns do we have now?
3.
No, 30.
30.
Because I have 3 grades, each one containing 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10 equal what? 30.
30.
And how many small cubes do we have? They are what?
6.
6. I need to distribute the 30 vertical cubes or 30 slash and the 6 what? Huh?
Cube.
The 6 cube. So I will give each group 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 slashes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And now I distributed 3 as whole. 3 grades are distributed and finished. The remainder here is the 6 small cubes, is 0.6. That need to distribute it over 3 groups. I will give each group 2 squares or 2 small cubes.
Cube.
That's it. You get the point, Ali, now?
Yeah, Mister.
So the first thing you have to do is to do what? Is to draw groups according to the divisor. The divisor equals 3, so you will draw 3 groups. And after that, focus. How many vertical columns do we have? How many full grades do we have? Each one in whole number represented by a 1 full grade or 1 full 100 grades, which equal 10 vertical column. After that, how many? Combine the vertical column at all and combine the small cubes at all and distribute them inside the group you get. Okay, Ali?
Okay.
Another easy way, if you want to make it long division, it's going to be easier for you, but you will have a problem. Let's see. If you start long division 3.60 divided 3, you can divide or start from here. 3 divided 3 equal what?
1,
1 by 3 equal what?
3,
Subtract.
0.
Now I want to drop this 6, Mr. Walid. No, you can't. Why? The road is closed. The way is closed. It is not open. We have a problem here. We have a big stone here. This big stone represent, or this big problem represented by the point. How to open the way to use this 6 to drop. The first thing to open your way for 6 is to raise the point here in the same location. Now your way is open to drop what?
The 6.
6 divided 3 equal what?
6 divided 3 equal 2.
So 2 by 3 equals 6. I drop the point here. It's gonna be 0. What about just 0, Mr. Reed? 0 divided 3 equals 0 and gonna be dismissed. The answer is 1.2. Easy.
Easy.
Huh?
Yes, Mr. It's easy.
Okay. Who still find it difficult? Who still find it difficult? Ammar Wael Abdurraouf.
Mister, close my mic.
Close your mic. I want you all to concentrate. Ammar, it is not difficult, but it needs more concentration. And Abdurrahman and Ahmed Abdurraouf, all the students.
Teacher, now I have a question. What will happen if I have not 60, if I have 64 maybe?
You will combine
How I will
the
divide
remainder.
it?
You will combine the remainder. Sometimes you can distribute all the vertical columns you have, and sometimes you will have remainder.
That's why.
This remainder will be distributed as a small cubes. Exchange them
I will give you the
as a small cubes to be distributed inside the group. You will see how.
There will be
Why
a
is the
remainder.
example I will give now? Just listen and concentrate, okay?
Okay.
Follow me.
Mister, can I say something?
I will.
No, question
You will
again,
change
question.
you will change the Nokia ID and
What can I make if I have a
I
member?
will do it for you. No problem. Okay.
Huh?
What can I make if I have a member?
You will combine them as a small cubes and distribute them again. I said that for Ammar. Abdurrahman.
Mister.
Abdurrahman.
We have, for example, 2.16 divided 4. Here 2 is less than 4. What we will do? We will take 21.
You will see everything while concentrating. Just concentrate. I didn't start yet. Okay?
Why we put the point from the left to right?
We didn't move the point anywhere. The point is still in the same location. I just raise it up from down. No change in location for the decimal. If you notice here, it's after the first number. It's still after the first number in the quotient and in the dividend. I raised it up. I open my way for 6. There is something prevent me between 3 and the 6. I can't use 6, so I have to open the way. I raised it up to open the way for 6, just only in the same location, no change. Can we continue? Huh? Would I complete my lesson? Would you mind, Mr. Shubaki? Would you mind? You mind? Okay, thank you, Mr. Khalid Shubaki. And let's move with another question. I think time for competition is better now. Let's do the competition and move step by step. Mute all mics. And get all hands down. And you will count Mr. Walid 1. Someone cheating here. 2. Ziad Muhammad and Ammar Wael. I will skip you if you still do that. Again, 1. Omar Basyouni. Asir Rojdi. 1. 2. 3. Okay, I will skip Asir Rojdi because he raised before hearing the third number, and Abdurrahman Ahmad is the winner.
Oh, Mr.
Hello,
Only
Abdurrahman. Unfortunately, needs to start with me. Oh, we have a hang machine here, and we need to restart the program again. Let's start. Okay. Abdurrahman, I want you to read, look back. Okay?
Look back.
Yeah.
Okay. Without dividing, how do you know that the answer to the problem above must be greater than 1?
In your opinion, if the quotient is greater than 1, what about the dividend? And if the quotient also less than 1, what about the dividend?
I know because the dividend and the divisor are bigger than
No,
1.
I'm not talking about the divisor now. I'm just only talking about the dividend. Suppose I'm going to divide amount more than 0. Sure, the quotient is going to be more than 1. I'm sorry, more than 1. Suppose I'm dividing amount as a dividend bigger than 1. The quotient must be bigger than 1. And if I divide amount less than 1, dividend less than 1, the quotient must only be less than 1. That's it. You can read this quotation, Mr. Abdurrahman.
Okay.
Read.
Okay. When the dividend is greater than the divisor, the quotient is greater than 1.
Just only. Is there any problem?
No.
Continue with me, Abdurrahman, in guided practice. Tell me the page number.
It's 239.
Guided practice 239, my dear students, and we will start from number 3.
Okay.
Use.
Okay, I will start. 2.16 divided 4.
Okay.
2. We'll see 2. 2 is less than 4. So we will take.
Abdurrahman.
Yes.
We have 2 ways: long division
And
the modeling. I will use them both now because he asked me to use models. Which one you prefer to start? Model or long division?
models.
Models? Very good. Okay. When you start at the model, you have to write like that: 2.16 divided 4. The first thing you have to focus on at the first of beginning is what?
The divisor, because
What is the divisor here?
4. So we will draw 4 groups.
1, 2, 3, 4.
4.
Very good. Now, tell me, how many full grades do we have? And put in your consideration that each full grade containing 10 from this amount, 10 vertical column.
Okay.
And each vertical column containing 10 small cubes. So how many full grades do we have?
2.
Very good. We said 2 by 10, so we have 20 of this amount. And add 1 for them, so they are all 21 vertical column. Am I right?
Yes.
I need to distribute this 21 vertical column for the 4 groups. There is nothing multiply 4 give you 21, but we have
21.
5 by 4 give you what?
20.
So I can distribute those 20
Yes.
vertical columns over the 4 groups. How come? I will give each group 5. 1,
5.
2, 3,
3,
4,
4,
5.
5.
1,
Each group.
2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I finished this amount.
Yes.
The remainder here, Abdurrahman, you ask about the remainder. The remainder here is what? The remainder here is 1 vertical column and 6 small cubes. Am I right?
Yes.
The 1 vertical column containing 10 from the small and 10 plus 6.
6 equals 16.
So we get
and we have in table 4, 4 by 4 equals 16.
we need to distribute the 16 small cubes over the 4 groups. So I will give them what? 1,
4. 4 for every group.
3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I finished.
Okay.
You want to see the answer? Let's do it. 2 divided 4. Be or can't be?
It can't be.
Why?
Because 2 is less than 4.
I will put
So
0
put 0 up.
to open the way by raising
must
the
put
decimal
the
point
point.
up and use this one to let it 21. Now 21 is available to be divided or divided by 4, divisible by 4. 21 over 4 equal what?
Mister, we don't have a 21 in
But
the
we have
table,
20.
so, but we have 20, so we will take it 20, and the number that if we multiply it by 4 will give us 20 is 5.
5 by 4 equal 20. Subtract, the answer here is what?
1.
Okay, 1 divided 4.
1 divided 4 we can't.
Drop,
Drop the 6.
it will be
16. We have 16 in table 4, and 4 by 4 equals 16.
just
We'll
on.
put up 4 and put 16. Then subtract 16 minus 16 equals 0.
So the answer here gonna be what?
0.54.
Correct or not, Abdurrahman?
Yes, I understand.
Okay. Now, as you see, my dear students,
Okay.
we distributed
Okay.
5 vertical column to distribute this amount. 20 vertical column. Each group will take 5. 4 groups because the
And then-
divisor equal 4, and 4 small cubes because the remainder was 60 over or 60 distributed over the 4 groups. Each group take 4 small cubes, and let's continue. Abdurrahman Ahmed finished. Ali Hussein Al-Fi'i. Hello, Ali. You still confused or get the point? Understand?
I get the point of the second.
Alhamdulillah. 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 That you get the point.
I get the
Okay.
point all the time.
Can you explain for me how to solve number 4? Read, concentrate. Okay, step by
Yes.
step, be quiet, and start your solution.
Okay. Okay. 1.35 divide 3.
1.35 divided 3.
3 divide 1 equal
No. You will solve by long division or using models.
long division, Mister.
Familiar with long division. All the students prefer long division. Why you skip using a model?
Because I don't love it. It is hard.
Listen, hard student. What is the divisor do we have?
3.
How many groups I'm going to draw?
3.
According to the number of divisors. Okay?
Okay. Okay.
How many full groups, full grades do we have?
4.
One. No, just one. The one whole equal one full group. One full grade.
Mister.
How many vertical columns do we have?
3.
And how many small cubes do we have?
5.
Just one. I need to distribute the amount of models do we have over the 3 groups. Sure, when I am talking as a 10 or full grades that containing 10 of this amount, 10 slashes or 10 vertical columns. Am I right?
Yes, you're right.
So totally I have 13 because here is 3 and here is 10. 13 vertical columns.
Okay.
If I want to divide 13 over 3, there is nothing. Multiply 3 give you 13. But I have 4 multiplied 3 give me 12. So I can distribute 12 of them.
Okay.
Each group will take what?
4.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you count them, you will find them 12. So the remainder now is 1 vertical column plus 5 small cubes.
5 cubes.
If you exchange this 1 vertical column in small cubes, you will get what? 10.
50.
Am I right?
Yes.
10 plus
15.
5 equal what?
50.
If you want to distribute this 15 small cube over the 3 groups, each group will take what?
5.
Just one.
Yes, Mister.
Still difficult?
No.
No, Alhamdulillah. Make long division. 1.35 divided 3. 1 divided 3, be or can't be?
We can't be.
Put 0
0.
and erase the
The
decimal point. It's open for you now. The way is open to use 3. It will be 13 over 3. We said nothing multiply 3 equals 13, but 4 by 3 give you what?
12.
13 minus 12 equal what?
1.
Drop. Because 1 is still less than 0.
5.
Drop 5, it will be 15. 15
Drop
divided 3 equal what?
5. 15 divide 3 gonna be 5.
Check your answer, Mr. Ali. Ali.
Yes, Mister. It's correct.
Huh?
It is correct, Mister.
Really? Congratulations. I'm looking for your understanding more than I'm looking for it's correct or not.
Okay, Mister. I understand it.
Alhamdulillah.
Yes, Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Thank you, Mister.
Okay. Oh, Ahmed Abdurrauf. Yes, Abdurrauf.
Hello, Master.
Oh. What's your question?
No, I didn't have question. I want to answer.
Use your mic. No answer now. Ammar, you have a question?
Teacher, I didn't understand.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't understand anything.
I think you get lost or playing or something. 10 minutes and the session will end.
No,
Really?
no,
Okay. You are
I,
concentrating?
yes, I have the book here and I didn't do anything.
Okay. Look in page number 240.
Okay.
Number 15.
Yes, I drew the model below for 1.35 divide 3.
What is the mistake?
Explain.
She make a mistake. Taya make a mistake. What is the mistake she do? Or she did? The divisor here what Amma?
3.
And she draw
4 boxes.
4 groups. Is it correct in that?
Okay.
What is the mistake she done?
No, it must be 3 boxes.
Yes, she must draw 3. So the fourth one here are not needed. This is the mistake. Read.
Taya drew 4 groups of 4 tenth and 500ths rather than 3 groups.
Very good. That's first. After that, we said this one represented by a full grade. This full grades containing the 10 vertical columns. And we have
Teacher,
here
but
and
in
we have 5
in
small cubes.
okay, teacher, in question 3.
No, in question. Look in number 15.
Okay.
Concentrate on number 15 because when you get lost, you will not understand. And 7 minutes the session will end. The full grades contains 10 vertical columns, and we have 3 individual, so totally 13 with 5 small cubes. We need to distribute them inside the 3 groups. Each group will take what?
4 large for
vertical
10
columns.
okay, vertical columns 4 and
when we distribute
5.
4, we will finish 12 of them. The remainder here 1 plus 5. This one equal 10 plus 5 equal 15. 15 small cubes that gonna be distributed over 3 groups.
Divide
Each group
3.
will take what from the small cubes?
We'll take 5.
Just on.
Okay,
Still
but
difficult,
this is
Ammar?
not my question.
Huh?
No, this is not difficult. This question is not difficult.
What is
But
your
in
question?
number 3, I didn't understand why you didn't do 4. There is 4 10th.
This number
no,
3?
there is 4 ones.
This number 3?
Yes. Yes.
What is your question in number 3? How many full grades do we have?
Why 2? I don't understand. It must be 4.
No. This is 1 full group, and this is 1 full.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
1 full equal
Yes.
10. 10 plus 10 equal what?
20.
So we have 20 vertical column like this one. And add 1 for them, 20 plus 1 gonna be what?
21.
21 vertical columns we have.
Yeah.
Plus 6 small cubes. The divisor here is what?
4.
So
But
we
it
draw,
must be 4 grade.
no,
Why?
4 groups, not 4 grades. Here is the first group, the second group, the third, the fourth. Okay? According to the divisor, without why you get lost, you didn't concentrate on more. According to the divisor, you draw 4 groups and you calculate 21 of the vertical columns. You can distribute 5 of them for each group. When you finish distributing 5 for each group from vertical column, you distribute 20. You have remainder 1, still remainder 1 plus 6 cube. This one equal 10 of small cubes plus 6.
Yeah.
You have 16.
16.
Have to be distributed over 4. Each group will take what?
Take 4.
I think it's clear now.
Okay.
Thank you, Ammar. And let's listen for Ahmed Adel Abdul Rauf again. Must go. I think no confusion now. Confused? Still confused, Ahmed?
No.
Read number 10 in 240. Hurry up.
Alan is modeling 2.65 divide 5. How should he exchange the place value blocks so he can make 5 equal shares?
Read.
Simple answer. He should exchange them for 25 tenths and 15 hundredths so they can be divided into 5 equal shares.
Thank you, Ahmed.
Mister,
Yes.
what does mean shares?
Shares means the quotient. The result of dividing 2 numbers is a share. The share view.
Okay.
You remember when you have a meat or chicken in the lunch at your house? Your mother gave you the whole chicken for Ahmed or a piece of a chicken?
A piece.
A piece. A piece for Ahmed and a piece for his brother and a piece for his sister. She distribute the whole chicken, okay, over her children. Am I right?
Yes.
The piece you took is called your share. This is your share. It's clear now?
Yeah.
The same meaning also in meat. Give you a piece of meat. This is the share of Ahmed, and this is a share of his sister, and this is a share of his brother. It's like
a piece of anything.
Yes. It's clear in meat and the chicken.
Yeah.
I think it's better than modeling or long division. My dear students, thanks for watching. See you after vacation, inshallah. I will miss you so much. I wish you a happy vacation and I love you all. This is the end of our session today, and this is your loyal teacher, Mr. Ramadan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.